Alright, creeper truck fans, I apologize for not making a video. I've been kind of busy as the rain's been really nasty here in South Carolina, so it just let up recently. That, and I've been waiting on parts to finally come in. So everything came in, I've put it all on. That is the old brake lines. I put all new shoes, had to get them relined. Then I had the it's an old Hydrovac power unit I had to have sent off to be rebuilt. That's what you're looking at right here. Jimmy's classic truck parts helped me with that one. Let's see. So, as you can see, all that pretty nickel copper line with stainless steel fittings is all throughout the truck. Every time I fixed something on the brakes before, it would keep leaking, so I'm like, you know, I'm just gonna rip them all that and redo them. So that's exactly what I did. So yeah, can't wait to drop a new driveline in this thing, but this will get me through for a little bit, just at least so I can show the truck, because right now I ain't be able to really drive it or anything because it didn't have brakes on it. And I didn't want to keep making videos about the brake this and brake that, but they're legitimately on now. I'm waiting on 3 lines, rubber lines that should be coming in tomorrow, and I'll put them on and we'll bleed the brakes and this joker will be driving around. So, that being said, I'll do a lot better video. I actually have a surprise for everybody. I haven't had a chance to talk to anybody about it, but I'm gonna wait to release that information until next week, because I'm actually gonna be I don't want to spoil it too soon, but if you like the creeper movies, you're gonna love this. So anyway, we will talk to you all later.